items to avoid and items to buy at IKEA.
And I'm just along for the ride.
And to be hot. I'm obsessed with their curtain rods. The brass finish is absolutely gorgeous, and look at that price. Stunning. I really want to find like a really nice bowl and plate set. Or actually 2 bowls, one small and one big, because I want to create like a pedestal bowl and glue it together. That's my goal. Okay, so this bowl set, River picked out that he liked a lot, and just flip it upside down. And voila, you have a pedestal bowl on a budget. These are gorgeous. They're coasters. They're really dirty, but they're gorgeous.
She's hot.
River keeps doing inappropriate voiceovers on accident.
La 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 la. Inappropriate. I'm just going la 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 la.
Accident. These cabinets are absolutely stunning, and I also really love I really love these frames inside. Love the brass, and they are probably super cheap. Let's check it out. Yep, $7.99. Stunning. Okay, I've bought these frames so many times. I love the depth and the matte. It's gorgeous, would highly recommend. And then these frames are absolutely massive. Also, $25. Look at that.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Hot.
Any furniture you see with this dark wood stain is going to be super modern. And this desk, I love it. Also, love that price. Big fan. River is embarrassed. This would be fun to like hold a coffee table book or a cookbook on your kitchen countertop or coffee table.
I know why you wanted me to go to IKEA with you, so I
Why?
could carry your things in this basket.
Obviously. Things to avoid: literally everything in this room. It is
Except
so
the dog.
cluttered. Except you could keep the dog, but yeah, it's just giving a lot. The stones they sell at IKEA are actually really expensive, so this is something that I would avoid.
$95 a square foot? Sheesh.
You can find stones like this for much, much cheaper. Bar parts.
Don't come
Why?
by these. I don't trust you with sharp things.
Or power tools. I am a huge fan. $6.99. These are so cool too. Wow. Right now, these shades are so in for fall. I love the brown, just it'll never go out of style. And then the blue's kind of fun, especially at that price point, to add in a little bit of color into your home. Avoid all of these colorful fun pillows. Go for ones that are a little bit more neutral. I love the color on this, as well as the corduroy kind of feel and texture. Also, this linen one is a good pick. So there's a few really good pillow finds, but overall try to stay away from pillows at IKEA because they will look a little cheap. Yeah, just like this one. I lost my boyfriend. Babe. Where do I report a lost 30-year-old? Sorry, 29. I'm aging him.
Where's my
This lamp is also super modern, and I'm loving the price point. Where were you?
I was hiding from you. You should see the video I just sent you.
Oh.
I was hiding in the distance.
Oh, that's so rude. This is how I have to hold on to you so that I don't lose you. These lamps are so fun. The price point isn't too bad, and it would be so fun on a little desk or maybe even a kitchen countertop. Love this for Halloween. These are super fun. So cute. So cute. I'll take it. This set is super modern. I'm actually really shocked at the price in comparison to other brands. You could fill this up with pumpkins in front of your door, or when Christmas time comes, ornaments, or just candles, but really fun and affordable. IKEA mirrors, yes for me. You could put 2 of these on top of your nightstands next to your bed. This concrete door is stunning. IKEA coming in hot with the finishes. Look at these legs. It's all about the legs. So many DIY projects you could do with this sheepskin. Who's checking out the white? This one, really good to drape on top of chairs.
I thought on the chairs, the chrome legs, you paint them black, so they're completely blacked out. And then instead of the red, you go with the sheepskin. So you have the black with the white wool.
Ooh.
I think that would be a pretty cool aesthetic.
And that is $40 for one. We're trying to decide if we should get one of these from IKEA or we should just get regular fabric for the red chairs.
Feel this, how it's like just softer. So this is more for like a rug. And this is also a rug, but like it'd be soft.
It's dense.
But no, it'd be softer, like the backing of it is softer. So it'd be a little more comfortable.
Oh, that's really cool.
So it is a faux fur rug, but I think it would be perfect for upholstering the chairs.
I kind of love it.
Wait till you hear about the price. So these are typically $19.99. They are $9.99 on sale right now.
Because the other ones were $19.99, and these ones are $9.99.
And if we were going for the real sheepskin, it would be $39.99. And so
we have to try these.
Big saving. I think it's worth the project.
Should we do it?
I think we should go for it.
How many do we need?
I think we need 8.
8.
So.
Okay. So it'll be
breaking
$80.
the bank over at breaking the bank over at IKEA.
Breaking the bank. All right. We really need 8? You think?
Yeah.
Why do we need 8?
Because there's 4 sides and 4 sides.
But won't this drape over the chair like this?
Nope.
No?
Unless it wouldn't cover the entire chair.
Oh, okay.
So I did measurements.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do 4 and then see how the first one turns out, and we can always come back.
Perfect.
Let's go.
Oh. I like the shaggy.
Ooh. I like that.
I like the long hair.
How much are these?
$159.
Oh my gosh. How big?
Dude, only need one for, I think, probably 2 chairs.
Ooh. What do we do? I like it.
Doesn't it? I like that idea.
You like this idea? Better than the other?
I don't know about better, but I like it. It's just my brain thinking.
I know. I like that color a lot. It's beautiful. Let's try these and see where it gets us. And if not, we'll come back.
All right, a successful day of shopping at IKEA. I think we got everything we needed.
I think so.
Shopping cart.
I think we're good to go.
Boom.